Hello everybody, this is Pun Frugal Streamer. I have a tutorial I want to show you. This is a tutorial that was by request. A viewer wanted to know whether or not you could actually not subscribe. You could actually log in to two separate chatbot accounts at the same time on the same PC, have separate settings, separate sound files, etc., without it crossing over to another chatbot. And I wanted to show you that real quick. It's actually pretty easy to do. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how we can set up these multiple chatbots at the same time. It's really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring up this chatbot. Now I've already got this set up because I do use this. So bring up normal chatbot that you've downloaded. Okay, most people will probably have just one icon on their desktop. But when you bring it up, you're going to come into the default display, and I'm going to show you where you can go and set up these multiple ones because it's. I think it's important if you're using something like Restream, where you can stream to Twitch and Mixer, Twitch, YouTube, whatever combination you want to do at the same time, to be able to do this. So if you go down here to the lower left-hand corner, you'll see a little torso-looking icon that says Connections when you put your mouse over it. Okay, click on that, and then go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so right here it says Streaming Services. Click on that. This gives you this UI, and there's a couple different things you can do here. So first of all, if you want to just stay with one chatbot, you can reconfigure this chatbot for whatever service you want to stream to. Okay, so right now I have it set to Twitch, but if I wanted to stream to YouTube, I would click on YouTube and then click to restart. That would restart chatbot. It would reconfigure it for all the different ways YouTube interfaces with chatbot. Okay, but I'm gonna leave this as Twitch right now. Okay, now here's the key. The first thing that I would actually do, okay, when you bring this up and you from Connections, go ahead if you want to use multiple instances of chatbot, you can make shortcuts to your desktop, and it'll automatically rename them and label them so you know which one is which. So I have one for Twitch on my desktop already. I have one for Mixer. I will create one for YouTube. Okay, so as you saw there, it just automatically popped up right here, and it says YouTube and then Streamlabs. So it's got a little YouTube or YT in brackets. The same thing for Mixer, which is right here. Okay, it shows you as MX in brackets. Okay, so that's how you know the difference between the different chatbots. Okay, so once you have that set up, okay, I will go ahead and take my YouTube and let's connect that one. So I want to start that up. And before I do that, this is my Twitch one. Okay, it's already running. Okay, so click on the YouTube, click on yes, and it should start up here in a second. Hopefully, there we go. It takes a little while. I don't know why it takes so long sometimes, but. So as it starts up, we'll hopefully get into the UI here. Okay, so here is the separate chatbot, as you can see. Okay, now I'll go down here again to Connections, and here you can see that it has changed. Before, the one down here is Twitch. Okay, this one is YouTube. Okay, so you'll go ahead and generate your token, clicking on that, and it'll give you the UI that you need to, sign in for your account. And I'm going to sign in to my Frugal Streamer YouTube account. Select that and make sure you give it an allow to connect all the way. And there you go. So then I can connect now, and now Chatbot is with my account. Now I would need to go in and make a bot if I wanted to use a bot for YouTube. So you would need another Gmail account that you would attach and make a YouTube channel, and it's strictly a bot, and you would name it something like YouTube Pun Bot or something like that. And then you would go in here, connect that account, okay, and then allow Chatbot to connect to it and all that good stuff. And then you would need to make your bot a moderator for your YouTube channel, much like you would do it for your Twitch channel or your Mixer channel. Okay, so it's that simple. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close this because I don't really stream to YouTube that much. But I want to show you a couple different things. I'm going to bring you my Mixer one, which I do stream to. So that is how you can have multiple accounts at one time. Now I'm going to answer the other question. I'm going to show Killer Inc., who was the viewer who asked this question, that you can also have multiple sound files because I have set this up. All right, so go here. Let me connect to my Mixer. Okay, and I'll connect my bot. All right, there you go. So I have my Mixer one here, and I have my Twitch one here. So I'm going to go to my sound files. Now here you see I have the MLG horn. Okay. And here I have a dilly dilly. Okay, which is the "You are a true friend of the crown" dilly dilly. Okay, so I have two separate sound files I've loaded for each of the chatbots. Okay, and that has been saved, so that, they separate from each other. And it's that easy. So there's your question there, Killer Inc. You can do multiple, and it is really simple to do. All right, so that's really it, guys. If you have any questions about this tutorial, let me know. But it is pretty straightforward and simple to do. All right, guys, so please, if you got any, like I said, if you got any questions, leave down comments below. Hit me up on Twitter, and I will be, more than obliged to answer your questions and help you out, because that's what I do. All right, guys, thank you very much. This is Ponderfrugal Streamer. Have a great week, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.